look at the 2017 Golf. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.